People are generally considered obese when their body mass index, a measure obtained by dividing a person's weight by the square of the person's height.
Gallery. In this part of the app, we'll include a gallery of pictures and essay ideas for people to eat healthy and images about routine and exercise that you can do in home. Basically, a gallery of tips to losing weight. 2. Test and evaluation. In this part, the app will ask you about your daily life and routines about how many calories and carbohydrates you eat in a day and how many exercise you do.
We'll have two types of tests. The first one to see your general nutrition, which means you will be able to see based on your age, height, and weight how many calories you should eat, how many sugar grams you should eat, and your body mass index. The other test we will have will be the physical test. We will give you the option to check about your flexibility and the other three parts of your physical condition. In this way, you will be able to decide whether you should go to the gym or to a nutritionist. For that, our app will have the Find Helper, which will help the user to find addresses for nutritionists or gyms.
The purpose of our app is to promote healthy and reduce obesity. Overweight and obesity are one of the main problems in Mexico. While we have the first place worldwide in children and the second place in adults with these conditions, in our country 72% of women over 20 years are obese or overweight, while 66% of men and 26% of school-age
The obesity
children.
and the overweight are the most common health problems that we the new generations face nowadays. So that's why we decided to do this app, because we want to help and inform the new generations, teenagers and kids about this
Do you
health
think if
disease.
people were more informed about nutrition, they will start eating better?
Yes, definitely. Why? Because people really do not understand the concept, or they do not know the concept of calories, of nutrition. For example, total calorie need per day. So depending on if you're a man, if you're a woman, if you're a teenager, if you're an adult, if you're a child, depending on your activity level, it has to do with the way you're gonna eat. It has to do with the amount of calories you're gonna eat.
Do you think it's important to have a nutritionist on a quick access?
Yes.
Why?
I do believe it's very important. Why? Because education in nutrition has been kind of laid away from schools. Usually children do not understand the energy found in certain foods. The energy you find in fruits, the energy you find in vegetables, the energy you find in candy is not the same thing. Because candy has a lot of sugar, a lot of fat, but it does not contain vitamins or minerals or things that are specific to your health. So yes, a nutritionist, what a nutritionist does is educate the population.